Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Susie. If you are stopping by for the first time, it's good to have you here. Today I will be showing you how I make banana bread with toasted walnuts, fresh blueberries, and chocolate chips. Yum! This recipe is very simple and it yields a moist, tender, and delicious banana bread, which isn't too sweet. If you would like to bake along with me, please keep on watching. I will have a list of all of the ingredients in the description box below. First step, preheat your oven to 350 degrees F. If using toasted walnuts, toast them and let them cool before using them in the recipe. To toast the walnuts, add them to a pan on medium heat for about 3 minutes, shaking the pan every 30 seconds or so. Take them out of the pan right away so they don't keep cooking, and put them in a Ziploc bag and use something heavy to crush them into small chunks and set aside. In a medium bowl, add flour, salt, and baking soda, and mix the ingredients using a whisk. Next, in a large bowl, mash bananas until they are creamy, and it's okay if you have some chunks. Add melted butter, sugar, vanilla extract, eggs, sour cream into the bowl with the mashed bananas. Mix until all combined using a whisk. Slowly add the dry ingredients to the bowl with the banana mixture and gently fold the dry ingredients with a spatula until all combined. Make sure you check the bottom for any unmixed flour. Next, we are going to start adding the extra ingredients. Don't forget these are optional. Add the toasted walnuts, fresh blueberries, and chocolate chips to the batter, saving a few pieces of each ingredient. Gently fold them into the batter. Next, grease a 9x5 loaf pan and pour the batter into the greased pan. Top the batter with the remaining walnuts, blueberries, and chocolate chips, and pop in the oven and set the timer for 15 minutes. After 50 minutes, take the bread out of the oven, and to check if it's ready, poke the center of the bread with a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, it is ready. If not, pop the bread in the oven for a few more minutes and try the toothpick test again. Let the bread sit in the pan for about 5 minutes before taking it out and placing it on a cooling rack. And even as tempting as it may look, let the bread cool completely before serving. The leftovers can be stored in the fridge in a Ziploc bag for about a week, but I highly doubt it will last that long. I'm so glad you made it to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and I hope you try it out. If you have any suggestions of bread recipes you would like me to try, please leave it in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, as it will help out my channel and enable more people to find my videos. And please subscribe if you would like to see more yummy baking videos from me. Thanks for watching.